This is the all-new Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. I mean, we are barely into the new year and we already have new phones launching. That's how you know it's about to be an amazing year. Otherwise, let's unbox it and see what it comes with. Notably, while the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus had an IP68 rating and could stay underwater for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus can go up to 2 meters for a whopping 24 hours. Question is, are you brave enough to try that IP rating test? Anywho, in the box you get your usual stuff manuals that none of us read, an ejector pin, an LTPU cover, a 120 watts power brick paired with a Type A to C cable, and of course, your phone. The design and build quality looks and feels amazing, and they've also made improvements on the software. Redmi have switched from MediaTek and are now using the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset for the Note 14. The phone comes with Dolby Atmos and Vision support, and you additionally get up to 3 major Android upgrades with 4 years of security upgrades. And yeah, that's about it. Stick around for the full review, but before then, tell me down in the comment section which phones do you think I should do a comparison video with the Note 14.